By the end of this lecture, you are going to learn how to delete one or more key value pairs, also known as fields, from an existing document in the Firestore database using the update.doc method. As you can see, I have a collection called cities and it has one document with 4 key value pairs. Let's take a look at how to delete a field called code from this document with step-by-step instructions. Let's import Firestore database and destructure 4 methods from it that we need to perform the delete operation. The 4 methods are get Firestore, doc, update doc, and delete field. So import from Firebase / Firestore in quotes. Inside the opening and closing curly brace, I'm going to say get Firestore, doc, update doc, delete field. Once we have destructured the methods that we need, the first step is to initialize the Firebase database using the get Firestore method and store it in the constant called db. So const space db equals get Firestore, and now the Firebase database is ready to use. The second step is to call the doc method, which is where we will be passing 3 references as arguments. The first one is database, the second one is the collection name, the third one is an ID of a document from a collection where we want to delete one of its fields. The first argument will be a reference to a database, so db that I have declared here. The second argument, the collection name in quotes, in this case cities. The third argument is an actual document ID. To get the document ID, go to the Firestore database and copy the document ID from the second column. Paste it inside the quotes like so. Then assign the doc method to a constant called doc like that. The third step is to actually call the update doc method. Update doc. Hey, I just want to remind you to download the free PDF of essential Firestore CRUD queries that shows all the source code with a detailed explanation covered in this tutorial and beyond. Grab your copy now and the link is in the description below. This method takes 2 arguments. The first one is the doc method, which I have already called and assigned to a constant called docref. The second argument of the update doc method will be a JavaScript object, which is where you're going to include the name of any existing fields in a document that we want to delete. Switch back to the Firestore database page. As I mentioned earlier, we want to delete the code field from this document. To delete any field from a document, all you have to do is to call the delete field method. The update doc method will return a promise. Let's chain and catch methods. After the update doc method, type then opening closing parenthesis, which takes an arrow function as an argument, opening closing parenthesis equals angle bracket opening closing curly braces. Then I'm going to console log code field has been deleted successfully. To catch any error, add catch block. I'm going to console log the error. Okay, let's run the app. Open up the terminal window and run node space index.js and the message saying code field has been successfully deleted. Go to the Firestore database page and you can see the field name code is gone from this document. If you want to go beyond this and build a complete real-world app with Firebase, including authentication, data structure, and best practices, I have a full course that covers everything step by step. I will leave the link in the description below. If this video helped, consider subscribing and I will see you in the next one.